Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be doing a cake. It's going to be a loaf cake and a sugar-free one, and we're going to be flavoring it with some honey, some dates and a slightly innovative ingredient, and which is ginger. We're going to be putting in some fresh ginger juice, and it's absolutely easy to make at home, and it's really good option for those people who are trying to avoid processed sugars. So let's check out this recipe. There was guys the sugar-free cake with some honey and dates in it. If you want to put some fresh berries or fruits inside and you want to remove the dates, that is totally up to you, and be my guest, experiment as you like, and I'll be back with more such recipes. So till then, stay tuned.